Court martial. Me, Odonga, Otto. To go to court martial. Me, never. The last time I went to court martial as a lawyer, together with Arias Lukwago, Lord Mayor, together with the late Sam Juba, we were lawyers representing Dr. Kiza Besije. In less than few minutes, the chairman of court martial, when Arias Lukwago was citing common law, case law, he was asking which section of case law. And in 10 minutes, Mayor Lukwago was in the dock together with the Besije. The lawyer and the client are all now being tried together without even a charge being read. I was sitting near Winnie Byanyima. I never said anything because he was looking at me. Even when I met General Eli Tumwina in Parliament, I said, you man, you are an MP like us. How could you conduct yourself like that in the court martial? He told me we wanted to show you where power lies. So court martial, people are going to be convicted in thousands without legal representation. And even those in the court martial, they are following orders. Court martial. Hey. I stay in Makinde. When I'm going home, I don't even look at the gates of Makinde because they say, hey, you come here. I'm not a coward. Yeah, I'm not a coward. But court martial. So now you want to subject 45 million Ugandans to court martial? Where lawyers, Kiza Aaron was there representing Besje 2 months ago. He ended up in prison. A court which sentences lawyers without respect, with impunity. What will it do on civilians? This UPDF Act, it is now the law of rule and not the rule of law. And as a political philosopher, what do I tell you? It means people will have a stronger resolve. For them, they think they are discouraging people from carrying arms against government. Personally, I would not carry arms against government. My mouth is bigger than a rocket-propelled grenade. But, it means those who have resorted to carry arms, they will fight back alas because they know the moment you are caught, you are finished. Let's even ask another philosophical question. Does the amnesty law apply to the court martial? Court martial? And all those who go to court martial. You see my eyes? He was beaten by UPDF soldiers in Acholi. They were brought in court martial and they were all told to plead guilty. It is in discipline to start putting your defense. It is in discipline. So court martial, subjecting 45 million civilians to court martial. Hey, may God uphold thee.